The YiLFo men's hair clippers are a versatile grooming solution equipped with a comprehensive set of accessories to cater to various hairstyle designs for the entire family. Featuring a large LED display, these clippers provide real-time information on battery life and maintenance reminders, ensuring uninterrupted grooming sessions. The USB charging capability offers convenience with a 2.5-hour fast charging time, delivering up to 150 minutes of cordless operation, perfect for travel use. These hair clippers are equipped with upgraded double-layer steel blades and a powerful motor running at up to 7,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring precise and smooth cuts without snagging. Designed for professional use, the YiLFo clippers are suitable for both experienced hairstylists and beginners, making them a valuable tool for anyone interested in hairdressing. Packaged in an elegant box, this set makes an ideal gift for special occasions, and the YiLFo team provides excellent customer service for any inquiries.